I received this bow from Sunlida Archery to review. In the description of this video you can find link where you can buy this bow and other bows, compound bows, competition bows, traditional bows, as well as archery equipment like arrows, trigger release, arrow rest, and so on. To be honest, I already opened this package. Every bow comes with owner's manual. This is Dragon series. This is Dragon 7. And a letter of thanks or safety information. You should read this even if you are not a beginner. Bow terminology, cam system, and other features. Bow tuning. This bow is set to the lowest setting, and here you have instruction how to increase or decrease the draw weight. By turning this bolt you can go from 15 to 70 pounds of draw weight. This is the draw length. Here you have list of everything that comes in this set, and you have a sign number to each component. I will go from 1 to 12 and briefly explain what it is used for. 1, it is the bow, Sunlida Archery. As you can see, this model is Dragon X7. It is listed as hunting compound bow. The maximum draw weight is 70 pounds, as you can see here. It is beautifully made. The bow comes already with the installed peep sight and D-loop, which is not common. Second is the release. When you shoot traditional bow, you pull the string with your fingers and you don't have much time to aim because you put a lot of weight on your fingers. For compound bows you use arrow release. This is one type, and the whole pressure from the bow draw weight is on your wrist and you have time to relax and aim. To use the arrow release, you hook it to the D loop, and when you pull the trigger it lets go. Number 3 is bow stand. You hook it to the lower limb of your bow like this, and now you can set aside your bow. Number 4, wrenches. Set of Allen keys or Allen wrenches. Here you have every size that is needed to tune or install components to this bow. I'll use this later. Number 5 is quiver. This bow has great feature and has quiver that can hold up to 5 arrows. With the quiver you get screws, longer and shorter. I will install it later because the quiver is installed on the sight. The quiver has fast lock. It is not permanently attached. You attach this with screws and you can detach this whenever you want. Number 6 is arrow puller. It is used to pull arrows from the target. Number 7 is wrist sling, and number 8 is stabilizer. The wrist sling has Sunlida Archery logo on it, rubber stabilizer. You align this hole with this threaded hole and screw in the stabilizer. And you adjust it by your liking and by your wrist size. Wrist sling is very useful when you're shooting compound bow because you don't hold your bow with a firm grip. When I'm shooting with open hand and I'm letting the pressure of the draw weight push the bow to my palm, to palm of my hand. When you hold the bow like this, when you're shooting, you can twist by releasing the arrow left or right and don't make the shot. Number 9 is arrow rest. It is installed here by using this screw. I like this arrow rest more than Risky Biscuit because it has only 3 contact points and it don't decrease the velocity of the arrow. You can fine tune this arrow rest with this screw front to back, with this screw inside up and down, and with this screw left to right. Next is the sight. Here you have 3 increments for closer and further targets. You can also tune it up, down, left, right. Hook the bottom one and then the upper one. Part 11 are arrows. In this set you get 12 arrows. And part 12 is the bow case. After the review and after shooting this bow, I can say it has great price to quality. It is a little bit on the heavy side. This is a very well made compound bow, and this particular model with all this equipment is just under 170 US dollars, 169.99. If you like this bow and you want to buy it for yourself, you can click the link below the video in the video description. And if you don't like this model, I'm certain you will find some other bow that you like. They have wide price range. This is the cheapest one. I hope I will do some other review from Sunlida. Actually, maybe next time it will be traditional bow. I need to tune this one a little more. I will crank it up to maximum power, 70 pounds, and see how much damage can I make with it.